this? Ah!
I would not go.
Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. Rockstar. Hey. Hey. What you filming up there, buddy?
These are some rare artifacts. It says...
Who's reading that?
And I was tired.
I'm not sitting there.
This is a rare little tree. And just pee on my hand. This is an ancient window. It is just so delicate. Oh, this is a rare occasion. A pine cone is stuck nestled in the tree. This is the rare mushroom, and it's, oh no! This is a rare old tree.
Thank you for joining us. Going on this little hike adventure thing with us.